Yeah, students, today we are going to discuss regarding hotness of the water. In part 1, part 2, I already sent to you. This is a part 3 regarding removal of permanent hotness of the water. The now method name is what? Colgan process. Colgan process. Colgan method. Colgan process. So, regarding Colgan process, hardly 3-4 concepts only there. The first one, by using Colgan process, we are removing permanent hardness of the water. In Colgan process, using chemical substances, sodium hexametaphosphate, sodium hexametaphosphate, sodium hexametaphosphate. Its formula is, you can write in 3 types: Na2, Na4, PO3 taken 6 times, or you can write 2 plus 4, 6. Na, PO3, Na, PO3 taken 6 times. So 6 sodiums, 6 phosphorus and 18 oxygens. Or you can write Na6, P6, O18 also. You can represent any more, but this is the most convenient one. While writing chemical reaction, this one only we are going to use. Colgan process is used for removal of permanent hardness of the water. In Colgan process, using chemical substance is what? Sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate, also called Graham's salt. Sodium hexametaphosphate, also called Graham's salt. Formula everyone okay na? Now, Colgan, this is one more important bit. Colgan does not precipitate the calcium and magnesium salts. In this process, we are not going to discuss regarding formation of precipitate and removal of precipitation by filtration process. That is not taking place in this concept. In this concept, only Ca plus 2 Mg plus 2 ions form water in 2 ways. One is adsorption. Formation in 2 ways. One is what? Adsorption concept. And second one is by forming water soluble complex. By forming water soluble complex. This is the way of the removal of hardness in this process. Adsorption concept involved and water soluble complex is involved. The inactive complex anion do not react with soap. So see the reactions now properly. Calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chlorides are responsible for the permanent hardness of the water. Colgan formula you write Na2, Na4, PO3 taken 6 times. Here calcium is plus 2 and sodium is plus 1. That is why here 4 sodiums equivalent to 2 calciums. All you take 2 moles. Plus Na2, Na4, PO3 taken 6 times. Na2 Na4 PO3 taken 6 times. Na2 Na4 PO3 taken 6 times. You can complete the reaction. Here 4 sodiums equivalent to 2 calcium or magnesium. So formula will be what? Na2 Ca2, understood? Ca2, instead of 4 sodiums, 2 calciums, exchange it. PO3 taken 6 times plus 4 sodiums and 2 sulfates. So 2 Na2SO4. Similar way, Na2, here what? Mg PO3 taken 6 times plus 2 Na2SO4. Na2 here Ca2 PO3 taken 6 times plus 4 chlorines, 4 sodiums, 4 NaCl. Similar way you can create another reaction. So reactions everyone understood? This is the Colgan process, and this method specially used softening water for boiler use. In industry using boilers na, so this is the method especially used softening water for boilers. Just see the reactions once again. Concept: Colgan process, chemical name sodium hexametaphosphate, also called Graham's salt. Formula representation: Na2 Na4 PO3 taken 6 times, or Na PO3 taken 6 times, or Na6P6O18. In this process, removal concepts involved what? Adsorption and forming water soluble complex, and these are the reactions involved in the process. Okay, thank you.